Hey loves, it's your girl Chic. I will be using the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Nail Kit today. It comes with 20 different colors and of course some glitter. I'll just lay this down so you can have a little looky look. This is not a sponsored video. I will be sure to drop the purchase link down in the description for y'all. I purchased this kit from Amazon. Ooh, child, look at my busted nails. Let's hurry up and get these things done. You heard me? I'm using this Modelone's file to gently rough them up, and we're using this alcohol pad to remove any shine, oil, and dust. Now, y'all already know what time it is. We gotta push these cuticles back. It looks neater and it just makes the manicure last a little longer, and that's what we want. I'm going to apply this Amy Lee nail primer just for a more secure hold, and it just makes them last longer as well. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So I ordered this cute little set of really short square nail tips from Amazon. And yeah, I got this nice size box. And so we're going to put these little girls to use today. I'm just measuring and selecting my sizes. I'm using this Gabrielle hypoallergenic nail glue, but my body still did not like it. It takes a while to dry, but it still gave me the little annoying dip flu symptoms. I had a really stuffy nose, sneezing, sinus issues, and I still sound a little horrible from it. But it's a week later, and my nails are looking fabulous, but I won't be using this glue again. So needless to say, it got the job done. It just was annoying because it does take a long time to dry because it has less ingredients than what nail glue normally has, but it does smell just as strong. I have tried applying my nails with the base coat, but baby child, that do not work for me. At least, it doesn't give me that long hold. I like nails that last, 2-3 weeks at least. I'm using the rough side of my Modelone's nail buffer, and I'm going to weaken this line where the tip and nail meet and just take off a little bit of that shine so it'll be ready for application. Just using the brush from the nail kit to dust them off a bit. Let's take a little look at the instructions because we have never used this particular kit. So we want to make sure that we don't waste our money. Loves, I purchased this little dip tray and I gave it a shot. I didn't really like it. I like using the jar a little better, but you will see. And I will definitely be saving this to use it for when I do like marble dip nails, stuff like that. For those types of nails, you actually have to lay the nail flat and downward facing, which works perfectly for the tray. So anyway, I'm just showing y'all, I'm getting ready and I'm just getting everything set up. So yeah, let's keep it moving. I'm using this pink shade, which is 06. So if you do have this kit and you want the shade, it's shade 06. All right. You will want to be very neat and careful. So take your time when applying the dip powder base. You just want to take your time because if you get it all over your finger, when you dip your nail in the powder, it will also be like all stuck around your finger. It won't be so neat. This is my first time using colored dip powder other than like doing French tips where you use like either pink or clear or nude. And yeah, so now we got the jar because I had to do away with that tray. Didn't like that. I dust them off each time I dip them. And then I decided to go with 3 coats because it makes the color more pigmented. And I just like the look with 3 coats. That's usually my rule for a lot of things. I use the 3 rule for a lot of stuff. And it just works for me. It works for your girl. And MG, of course, is working on my nerves, and I do have tremors from CIDP, but y'all know I don't let it stop me. I do not let it stop me from being creative. So this is what I love to do. I am in my little zone, in my world, and, you know, this is how we vibe. This is how we roll up over here. So, yeah, just tapping that, dusting it off, and now we are going to apply this activator and it's going to allow it to harden so we can do some filing. And ta-da, it is time to file. File like we owe something to somebody. File like our life depends on it, honey, because that is going to make or break this look. You feel me? It is going to make or break it. The base, the smoothness, all of that matters. When you put that clear coat on, you will see every bump and lump if you do not take your time to file your nails right. Okay? Because, yeah, y'all get me, right? Y'all get me. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't do too bad, but it looks a hot mess when you do dip powder nails before you get to the filing and buffing process. Child. One thing I wanted to let you know about the base, it is very fast drying, so when you apply that, you got to be ready to dip. After the filing is done and the buffing begins to happen, that's when the magic takes place. That's when it really starts looking like a little something. Let's tidy up a little bit and wipe this mat down with a Clorox wipe. I'm using my Pretty Diva UV gel top coat today. I didn't want to use the gel top coat that came with the kit. It's kind of like the ones that you usually have, probably a little shinier, glossier. You know, they give them that sexy shine. That's what we want. That's what the girls want. That's what the girls love. Let's cure these goals for 90 seconds. All right, they are cured, and so we're applying our cuticle oil. I will drop down links for y'all as I stated before, so do always check for those. But I really love this cuticle oil, it's really good. And I use a lot because I'm just going to go in and massage it in and around my nail area. As you can see, the color is very vibrant. Definitely looks a lot lighter as a powder in the jar dry than it does when you apply it. So take that in consideration when you are choosing a shade, but I really love this shade. Next time I do dip powder nails, I will be using my odorless products from Solara, and I will give those a test for y'all and let you know how they are for those of you who do experience dip flu. Usually for me, it's not the products for the actual dip powder nails, but the glue. But this time I wasn't for certain, so I'm just going to make sure I use the odorless with my dip powder next time just to give it a try. So thank you so much for watching. Love y'all.